me from the past videos I've made. But I have to tell you, I'm really sad about them because I just think the videos are so, I just think it's a bit, you know, my videos are, so yeah, I took my medication pills, and, no, I took my medication pills, and, because I have a temper problem, I go to therapy every, you know, twice a week, because my mom forced me to do it, and I got really mad at her, and, you know, and, I got really mad at her, and, you know, like, my mom's drunk right now, but don't tell her that. No, I didn't say that! Well, anyways, so, well, I hope you liked my other, videos. I just really think, thank you. I know I have some people think that my mom's a loser. I feel like really touched about that. I think my mom is a loser. I'm not using the camera! No, I'm just kidding. My mom said I'm not supposed to say that about her. She said if I said that, she said that she would send me to a juvenile hall. And you know what happens there. So yeah, I hope you liked my video. How would it feel if your mom was called a loser? You know, the kids always say to me that, you know,
Your mom's a loser. Your mom's a loser.